Education Minister Lakman Rumboy said that the department is awaiting the response of the National Testing Agency on to the issue related to some students from the state having to appear the CUET exam in other states despite opting for centres in Meghalaya. Speaking to reporters, Rumboy said that the matter was brought to his notice by leaders of the Khasi Students' Union that there were some students who, in spite of opting Shillong and Meghalaya as the centres, got admit cards indicating that their admission examination centre will be in Guwahati, while some got to their centre in Aizawl. Rumboy said that the Education Department had immediately communicated to the National Testing Agency that around 10 students from the state are facing this problem. According to him, CUET in Meghalaya is held in centres located in Shillong, Ribhoi and Tura.
To NTA, and communication is on, and in the afternoon I got the list of those candidates. I forward to the commission is communicating with the NTA, but as of now, as I speak, I have not got any response. What is the response of the NTA? So let's hope that the NTA will be able to allow the student, if there is any seats available in the state, in our state,